Ever spent hours editing a YouTube video just to get some views and zero subs? What if I told you there's a faster, smarter way, no camera, no mic, no editing, and it only takes 5 minutes using AI? Hey, I'm Petter from Petter AI Hustle. And if you're into AI tools that save time and help you make real money online, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell watch until the end. Because one small tweak at the final step can literally double your reach and earnings.
Today, I want to talk about how to use Monica with Google Docs, Gmail, and Notion. Let's break it down step by step so you can actually use Monica in your daily tools without feeling lost. Number 1, Google Docs. Open your document in Google Docs. Highlight the text you want to translate or rewrite. Right-click and choose the Monica AI option if you've installed the Chrome extension. Monica will pop up and give you instant suggestions, translations, or even rewrite your text in a new style. Super useful if you're writing reports, blog posts, or just trying to make your writing sound smoother. Number 2, Gmail. Open Gmail and start writing an email. If you're stuck on how to phrase something, just highlight the text. Use Monica AI to fix grammar, translate, or rewrite it in a more natural way. Perfect for business emails or even casual messages where you want to sound clear and professional without overthinking. Number 3, Notion. Open your Notion workspace. Highlight any text block, a note, task description, project idea, etc. Right-click, choose Monica, and let it rewrite, summarize, or translate the block. Great if you use Notion for planning, journaling, or managing projects. You'll save a ton of time cleaning up your notes. So yeah, once you add Monica's browser extension, it's basically everywhere you type online. You don't need to copy and paste into another app. It works right where you're writing.
If you're ready to build your faceless YouTube channel and let AI do the heavy lifting, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button for more walkthroughs like this. In my next video, I'm comparing
This AI
to another viral AI tool that completely failed on me. So don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.